From the dining room, we move right into the kitchen, and this has been redone in many ways. We've got stainless steel, we've got an incredible glass tile, oversized subway tile backsplash. Cabinets have been painted white. We've got fresh new hardware, and these appliances are upgraded, by the way. We've got a stainless steel undermount sink, ceramic tile floor, very tough. It's great. What I love about this kitchen is when you're done doing the dishes, or while you're doing the dishes and cleaning up, we've got this window looking right out to the backyard here, and I can watch the kids while I'm getting stuff done. Hey, put that down. What are you doing? No, I said no. If I said it once, I said it 1,000 times. Shut it off.